The Forex market can appear chaotic, but using simple price action and rules can make trading very profitable. So if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and follow us on your favorite social media channel, and don't forget to like the video at the end. This week we'll be looking at the Forex market and this pair here, the pound Swissy. If you've seen our previous posts, price has been following this simple price pattern since 2016, eventually turning into very chaotic behavior. However, if we focus on this particular chaotic area, we can determine that price is following this simple wedge formation, identifying these areas of support and resistance, with price finding support here at the end of last week's trading session. Looking closer at the Friday close on the daily chart, the day ended with buyers taking control, with price failing to close below this low, leaving us with the development of a daily double bottom. This week we're watching this key support area along with whether this double bottom formation develops further. Don't forget to follow our channel to find out how you can trade the markets in just 10 minutes a day. To trade like a pro in just 10 minutes a day, visit our website and join our Pro Trader program today.